In this video today, I will be blowing your mind by revealing a big secret that could earn you up to $100 today by just fulfilling some few tasks on Payoneer and earn extra income even while receiving payment from your clients abroad. Hi, my name is Coach Silas, and if this is the kind of video you've been looking for, then I advise you stay glued to this YouTube channel because, like I earlier said, I will be blowing your mind by revealing some hidden secrets to you. So, endeavor to click on the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And once you're done with that, don't forget to click on the bell icon beside it to get notified when next we drop videos like this about money making online. So, but the first thing you need to do is you need to have a Payoneer account. If you don't have a Payoneer account, I will be providing a link below this video for you to sign up on Payoneer and start making money with this opportunity. So I will just go and open my Payoneer account. So when I open my Payoneer account, all what I will do is I'll click on the profile icon at the top right side of the screen, which I will land here, and once I get here, I will click on refer a friend. So once I click on refer a friend, you'll see an opportunity I have when I invite my friends on this platform. So you can see that I can earn as high as 25 US dollars when I invite a friend. You can see the conditions. After your friends sign up and receive $1,000, that is when you get the 25 USD. That is not the secret, guys. What I will be advising you is, if you really want to get people sign up with this opportunity, or what you will do is you head straight to Naira Land, go to a trader that goes with finance, and create a content about how they can make money just the way I am doing, and share your link on that platform. You will see people registering, strange people that you don't even know, registering with your link, and over time and within few days, you see you are realizing something reasonable. Use this approach and thank me later. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to smash the red subscribe button below this video to subscribe, and click on the bell icon beside the subscribe button to get notified when next we drop videos like this. I still remain your guy, Coach Silas. See you next time on my next video. Bye bye.